Welcome to Stakin How-To Guide. My name is Andres. We're going to go ahead and connect our Keplr wallet to the main Evmos site and hit import. It's going to open up our MetaMask, which will be connected, and switch to the Evmos network. Go ahead and import. Approve the IBC transfer. First part done. Disconnect Keplr and connect our MetaMask. And we can see a partial claim to our airdrop. Let's see what we're missing. So if we vote, we get another 25%. Let's go ahead and vote. You can see the governance and exactly what you're going to be voting on right here in the description. Let's vote. Approve the transaction with our MetaMask. And that's it. And now let's go ahead and stake for another partial claim to our airdrop. Let's go ahead and see Stakin, manage, and delegate. Go ahead and click max. Be sure to leave some of your Evmos so you can later claim your staking rewards. Approve with our MetaMask. Sign. And that's it. One more to get the entire claim is to interact with an EVM, with an Ethereum Virtual Machine, which is very simple. We're going to go ahead and do that with Diffusion. Connect our MetaMask. And right here with a simple swap, 0.1 Evmos, and let's go ahead and stablecoin USDC. Confirm swap. Approve with our MetaMask. Very little fees. That's right. Confirm. That is it. We have now claimed the entire Evmos airdrop. Congratulations. Now for a final part of the tutorial, we're going to show you how to stake with your Keplr wallet. Go ahead and click stake. Find your trusted validator. They're staking. Go ahead and manage, delegate, max, and delegate those funds. Approve. And that is all. You have now claimed and delegated using MetaMask and Keplr wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them. Have a good one.